Alright guys, what's going on? Real productive time in the garage today. So you can see I've got the accessory belt on, which means all of the accessories are on. I got the pulley press back on the power steering pump. I went to the junkyard today and got the rest of the accessory drive bolts because the ones I bought at the store didn't quite fit. So I've got the belt routed and everything. I'm probably going to take it back off when I go to weld that part of the frame right there. But yeah, as you can see, some of the frame is done. Come right in here. Yeah, I'll get the light. Please, no glare. Focus. Anyway, the welds look really good. I'm really happy with how they came out. The lighting kind of sucks right now, so I'm sorry you can't see it. The vertical weld right there isn't great, but it's okay. It's a little bit wavy just because I kind of lost sight of the seam and the mask. I didn't quite see where I was supposed to be at. So that's kind of why it squiggles around a little bit. But that one right over there, I'm especially happy with. Right here isn't bad. I had a pretty big gap to fill, so all things considered, it looks pretty good, but nowhere near like that. That looks almost factory. So this side obviously is well cut, well fit. Everything looks great on that side. But on this side, I still need to beat the frame into submission a little bit. As you can see, it's kind of kicked out there. Block a little bit of this light. Yeah, there you go. It's just tough getting the hammer up in there, and I brought my my air hammers, but all the chisels that I have, I put in my tool bag, and when we went to the junkyard, I left them in my buddy's truck. So he's already back home an hour away with my chisels, and like the little bits that go in the air hammer that I was going to use to pound that thing straight with. I might walk down to Tractor Supply and see if I can find another one, but for right now, that's kind of my hold up. The only other thing really I can do today without getting that welded is tighten up those two power steering lines, get the steering mounted back up and the sway bar bolted back to the frame, and pretty much call it right there. I still got to clean up that weld a little bit, but it came out really nice. Come on, focus, you fuck. Focus! Anyway, it won't focus worth a damn, but I welded along the top there just to kind of hold it in place so that when I pound the other side back in, it doesn't like bow it all up and everything. So anyway, a lot of great progress. Feels pretty sturdy to me. I'm putting a decent amount of weight on it. I don't want to stand on it fully just yet because obviously it's not welded all the way. I still got to do the bottom and all of that side, so it's really only about halfway welded. But here's the welder I was using for it. I don't know if I mentioned it in other videos, but it's just a little Harbor Freight titanium 125 amp, I believe. It's an inverter instead of a transformer, so it's super small. Like, I mean, I know I got some big hands, but come on. And it seems like it's got a lot of power. Like I'm borderline burning through on some of this stuff, and I've only got it turned down to like a third of the voltage. So for what it is, it seems like a pretty mean little welder. It was only $200. So if you're in the market for a good cheap welder to kind of learn on, or something that's nice and portable, definitely give that a look. And no, they did not pay me to say that. I bought it myself, and I'm just really happy with it. So I thought I would share that with y'all. But yeah, anyway, progress being made. It doesn't look like it's that close, but really once that weld is finished right there, I can put the front end back on it, and the front end only takes maybe 2 hours tops to put back on. So really after about another hour and a half, 2 hours of fab work there, it's pretty much just bolt the body back together and this thing will be driving. So it's really, really close, even though it doesn't quite look like it yet. So I'm getting really excited to finally be able to drive this thing. So yeah, take it easy, guys.